We have more breaking news today here. We have just learned about this unannounced trip that apparently President Trump is making with regard to the fallen Navy SEAL from that raid in Yemen over the weekend, Chief Petty Officer William Ryan Owens. These are pictures we're just getting in moments ago. The president alongside his daughter Ivanka Trump. Jim Acosta, our senior White House correspondent. What's going on?
Right. This is just happening now as we speak. The video you're watching now, Brooke, is the president leaving the White House with Ivanka Trump, his daughter, earlier this afternoon, boarding Marine One for this departure up to Dover Air Force Base. And that is for the arrival of and dealing with the remains of Navy SEAL William Ryan Owens, who was killed in that raid in Yemen over the weekend. This is for what they call the dignified transfer of his remains.